Hey, my name is Steve, and I just got in my 10-gallon DeWalt wet dry vac, shop vac. I'm getting ready to unbox it, so I thought I would unbox it and let you see everything that it comes with. This is the model DXV10P, so I'm super excited about it. Haven't had a shop vac in a while, so let's get to it. When you pull everything out of the box initially, this is what it looks like. You get the wet dry vac itself, you get the two tubes, and you get an accessory bag. Now I have a feeling there's some more stuff inside the vac, so let's take a look. Okay, to open it, you just pop open these two side handles. And there's quite a bit more stuff on the inside. This is the filter, obviously. So on the inside, we get a hose. We have various attachments. And you get the caster wheels to install on the bottom of the wet dry vac. More accessories. And here is a vacuum bag. It's going to be pretty easy to install these wheels. They provide you with the screws. You simply slide the wheel down, it fits in there nicely, and then install the screw. It's just that easy, and now do this 3 more times. All right, once you've got the wheels attached, you're gonna install these accessory bag holders. And on both sides, there's a place to mount it, and it's gonna mount just like that. Super easy. That's what it's gonna look like right there with the accessory bag holder installed. And there's a look at it right there. Okay, now it's time to install the filter bag. You simply slide it over the vacuum port. And then you distribute the bag around the outside edges of the vacuum. And that's it. So now let's get the top put back on. Keep in mind that on this end right here, this is the blower end, and the vacuum suction side is on the other. So we're gonna try the blower first. This is the suction side. Let's see how this feels. Very powerful suction. Okay, my friends, that is the initial unboxing and first firing up of the DeWalt 10-gallon wet dry vac. I like what I see so far, and I think I'm going to really enjoy having this in my garage. I hope you have found this video helpful.